Hey guys, today I'm back in Sant'Agata Bolognese. We are guard getting worried about these weird things here and the first Urus S driving on the road. Okay, let's begin with this weird Urus. It looks like to be fitted with some off-road equipment, but as you can see my camera today doesn't want to work properly. Okay, now wait a second, what's going on here? We have now two weird Uruses. We can definitely see they were fitted with some extra tools, protective grills, and also metal bumper guards. Interesting indeed. Yes, we have previously seen the Rescue Urus, but these ones look a bit different. Okay, that was pretty good. Now let's switch to the real news here. The first Urus S are finally being tested on the road. I've spotted many of these lately, but as it turns out, they look very similar to the sporty Urus Performante. So, to be honest, I don't find them very interesting. What do you think?